Hey, the noise. Come downstairs right now. You have to tell you something.
Hey, Pizza Face, Pizza Head, what's up? Am I in trouble again?
Not this time. We wanted to tell you that Pizza Face and I are going out this evening. We're going to go have some fun together. We're going to go bowling, or we're going to go see a movie. We're going to have a lot of fun without you.
What? But I want to go to the bowling alley and go bowling, and I want to see a movie too in the theater. Why can't I come with you guys?
Because the noise, we don't trust you. We don't trust that you're going to behave or not. So we're going to leave you home here today. But the rest of the pizza friends are in the tower today, and they're on the other floors as usual. So whatever you do, be on your best behavior. We don't want to hear any phone calls that you misbehaved while we were out. So I understood the noise?
Yeah, fine, whatever. You guys can go, whatever. I don't care.
Great. So we're leaving right now.
Oh man, this sucks. I want to go out and do some fun stuff. I'm stuck in the tower because I'm so grounded for all the things I did. If only I could have some fun in the tower because Pizza Face, Pizza Head aren't here. Wait a minute. That's a great idea. Why didn't I think of it? I'm going to call the devil and all the troublemakers to have a slumber party here at the tower because Pizza Face, Pizza Head aren't here to see it. We'll have a lot of fun together. So first of all, I will call the devil right now.
Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Ring, ring, ring.
Hello, is this the devil?
Yes, this is the devil. Hey, the noise, what's up? What's going on, man?
Hey, devil. Listen, Pizza Face, Pizza Head aren't here today at the tower, and I was wondering if you wanted to call all the troublemakers to have a slumber party.
Oh, that's a great idea. I will call them right now to come to the tower and we'll have a great summer party.
Great. Sure, I'll see you soon. It'll be so much fun. Goodbye. Boop. Okay, great. Looks like everyone's here today. So now, I officially declare the slumber party is now on. Let's go!
Meanwhile, on the floor below... Hey guys, I have a joke for you guys. What did the robot say to the centipede? Stop being a centipede. And you know what's funny? Because the robot ain't got no arms. Ha 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 ha. Oh wow. Ho ho ho. That was a funny joke. Funny joke. Oh my god. Hey Capino, that was so funny. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, Capino, you're right. You should do stand-up comedy.
Yes, hey Capino, I admit, that was pretty funny. So now I will give you a good chuckle. Ha 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 ha. Hey, what is that sound? What is that music coming from? It's coming from above us. What's going on up there? I don't know. We should go check it out. Come on, let's go see what it is. Hey, stop right there.
Hey Pepperman, Vigilante, hey Capino, the Doys, and Jerome, what's up? What are y'all doing here?
The noise. Why are all these people, all these bad people over at the tower? That's it. We're calling your parents right now, and you're in. We're calling all the parents right now, and they're in super big trouble. And we're calling Pizza Face about this right now.
Oh no, guys, quick, get the sleeping gas.
The what? 12 hours later. Oh, what happened? What's going on? Why am I on the ground? Oh, this ground's so uncomfortable. What happened? Why am I on the ground? What happened? Why were we all asleep?
Ouch.
This can't be good. Wait a minute. It's the noise. He did this to us, and he called all the troublemakers over at the tower. We need to call Pizza Head out of this right now, and we'll call him to bring the other driver over too. Beep, 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 beep. Hello? Yes, hi. Who is this? Pizza Face, it's Jerome. We have a problem here. What? Jerome, what's wrong? What happened? What's going on here? Listen, it's the noise. He called over a whole bunch of troublemakers to the tower this evening, and he made them spray us with sleeping gas, and he made them tie us upside down in the basement. And now we're stuck down here. Can you please call all their family, all their friends and family? We need to call Mrs. Chalice, Mario and Luigi, Sonic the Hedgehog, Phineas and Ferb, the Mean Six, Gordon Freeman and Alex Vance, and the Tansen girls right now, because they need to come to the tower and ground all the troublemakers. What? Oh my god, that's terrible. Okay, Pizza Face and I are coming home right now. We're going to call everyone to come give him an ultra grounding of a lifetime. Just you wait. Beep. Meanwhile, back upstairs.
Oh boy, the slumber party pancakes are really good. But guess what, guys? The fun has only just begun. Wait till you see what we have to do next.
Bowser! Dr. Eggman! Chef Saltbaker! Wallace Breen! Brody! Queen Chrysalis! Devil! Dr. Doofenshmirtz! The noise! Why did you call all these troublemakers over to the tower when we were out of the tower? And you made them make a huge summer party and make a huge mess, and you tied up all the pizza friends in the basement. That's it. We're going to go deal with you guys right now. Okay, Pizza Face. You go deal with the pizza friends in the basement. Let them out. I'm going to have a serious talk with the noise. Will do, Pizza Head.
Pizza Face? Pizza Head? Are you gonna say anything? Are you angry at me?
Anger does not use the answer to explain how angry you really are at you for what you did to that. We told you we do not want you to have any fun. We call anyone and bring everyone to the tower. What did you do? You called a whole bunch of troublemakers over the tower. You made a huge mess, made a huge ruckus, and you tied up, and if that wasn't enough, you trapped all the pizza friends in the basement. You tied them up to the ceiling. And for that, I am so angry, God, that's the noise. So once again, misbehaving when you're out, and for disobedience, you are now grounded. For an additional 1 6 7 2 7 3 4 6 7 3 8 3 6 7 4 9 3 6 7 4 3 6 7 1 2 8 3 6 7 1 9 3 8 1 4 1 5 3 6 7 9 3 6 8 7 8 3 6 7 5 8 3 6 7 4 9 3 6 7 1 5 1 3 1 2 2 7 2 7 9 3 6 7 9 3 8 3 6 7 1 3 6 7 8 3 7 2 2 7 9 4 3 6 7 8 million trillion years. Now once again, once everyone's dealt with, you'll go down the filter and then you'll sit there forever until you're on one. So go there right now and noise.